Welcome. In this video I will show you how to factory reset Garmin Forerunner 7C when it's frozen. So before we perform a hard reset operation which will erase all data from our device which is not backed up to our smartphone, let's try to force restart it, which you can easily do by holding down this slide key. So the top left button of your smartphone, you have to simply hold it down for about 15 to 30 seconds until your device's screen goes off. Okay, so now it's turned off, and then it will automatically restart itself. Now, if it's not helping you, then we can use our smartphone to perform an actual factory reset. Now, what we have to do is access our Connect application on our smartphone, then select our smartphone in the top right corner. Then we're gonna have to scroll down the settings. Let's go to System. Now let's go to Restore and Reset. Before we perform a factory reset, let's back up the data now, if we can, of course. Let's wait. Okay, so the backup was finished, and now we can perform a factory reset operation by going to Reset and then selecting Delete Data and Reset Settings. Tap Confirm, and this will begin a remote factory reset operation, and unfortunately this is the only option that we have in such case. So now let's wait until this operation is finished. And when you see the language selection screen on your watch, this means that the operation was finished successfully. So now you can repair your smartphone and your watch and restore your data from the backup during the setup process. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.